औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट, शहजाद मलिक with third lecture of class 9th and 10th. Today we will discuss about the topic union of two or three sets, intersection of two or three set, difference of set, complement of set, universal set. These are topic we have today we covered. Now as you know that as you study in previous classes 7th and 8th, universal set, union of two set, intersection of two set, but here in this class 9th and metric you can say this is a analysis of union set, means more than two set. Union of two set, if previous classes we have given two set, but in this class we have two or three or four set given, then we apply union of two set, union of three set or union of four sets. But for example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 4 and C is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 7. Also D maybe are given, but here we union of these sets, A union B union C. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now U means union. This symbol which is shows the union of two set. B is equal to 2, 4. Now union 2, 4, 6, 7. A union B union C is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now union which is two set in which involve union. Now 2, 4, 6, 7. A union B union C is equal to which is two set. Now operation is that union 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. These are union of three sets. Similarly, as you have taught in previous classes, as I told, but where is two sets, but in this class three sets or four sets. Now what is definition of union is pure in mathematics. You can say let A and B are subset, A and B are and C. First, it is a subset of any set. The union of two or three set, if we have given A, B, C, these are a subset. These are a set. Union of set A and B, which is denoted by, this is mathematically form A union B, which mean is the set that contains those elements which are contained in A or B or both, which means maybe A, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 4 and C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 7, which means those elements which are contained are in A, maybe B or both. This is a definition of union. Now pure in definition in mathematically, intersection of two set, the intersection of set A and B, which is denoted by in mathematical form, as you know, A intersection B, this symbol is called the intersection. Denoted by A intersection B is the set that contains those elements which are contained both A and B, which means the common element A and B, that element is called the intersection of two sets. For example, A intersection B intersection C. Now A is equal to 1, 2, 3 intersection. This is a symbol of intersection. Now B is equal to 2, 4. Again symbol. C is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now 7. As I told, union means which are set in A or B or both, but intersection common element both set A and B and C, which we write, that is called that pattern is called intersection of three sets or two sets. For A intersection B intersection C. Now 1, 2, 3 intersection have two set B and C, which is common 2 and 4. 2 and 4, which means intersection of two set. 2 is common B and C, and 4 also common in B and C, which we write in the form of bracket 2 comma 4. That means is called the intersection of two set. Now again, A intersection B intersection C is equal to, which is symbol is intersection. Now here two set 1 and A and B. 1 now common, no. 2 is also common, and 4 no. 2 common in both set A and B, then we write in the form of this. These are called the intersection of three set. Okay, we have called union of two set, intersection of two set. Again, third topic is that difference of two set or three set. For example, difference means for example, A difference B, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 difference. Not we can read minus. In this set we read difference of two set. Now B is equal to 2 and 4. First I told you definition of difference of two set. Let A and B any two set. For example, A and B, this is a any two set. The difference of set A and B, which is denoted by, which means A difference B, is the set containing those elements that are in A but not in B, which means those elements that are in A but not in B. For example, A difference B is equal to now 2 and 2. We cut it. Now here 1 and 3. We write A because by definition is that those elements that are in A but not in B. If we have write A but not write a B, which means by definition. Now, fourth topic is that symmetric difference. What is the symmetric difference of symmetric difference? Here we read difference of two set but symmetric difference. What is a symmetric difference? By definition, A and B are two sets. The symmetric difference of set A and B, which is denoted by, this is a simple mathematically, we write A symmetric B. We cannot read a delta in this topic. Unit numbers in set, we write this symbol is called as symmetric, which shows symmetric difference. Then we it is denoted by A symmetric B, which mean is the set containing those elements which are either in A or B but both not in both A and B, which means maybe in A, maybe B, but both not in both A and B. For example, I take an example. If A is equal to, because later A and B any subset 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4. We solve by symmetric difference and by definition. Now solution is that A symmetric difference B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B, which means first we solve union of two set, again intersection of two set. Now third step is that if we solve the union of two set, we write then minus also we given union intersection of two set, intersection of two set we got difference in union and intersection. Now A union B is equal to, I write 1, 2, 3, 4, then A intersection B is equal to, which is common, 2 and 4. First we find A union B, then finally A intersection B. Again third step is that A symmetric B is equal to A union B symmetric A intersection B. Now A symmetric B is equal to, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus A intersection B 2, 4, 2 and 4 will be cancelled. Now A symmetric B is equal to 1, 3. We have find symmetric of symmetric difference. Now universal set. What is a universal set? As you know very well in previous classes, but here universal set, again I repeat you, a set which contains all the sets under consideration is called a universal set, which is denoted by sign U. U means universal. For example, the set of all students in your class in this is called a universal set. A different set of students of classes in the school, such as students of 9th class and 10th class, are all subset of the set U of all the students of the class. Okay, today we have covered union of two or three sets, union intersection of more than two sets, difference of sets, symmetric difference, and as well as universal set. That's all today. We will meet again inshallah.